middle medium obviously is in the middle of the viscosity ladder. So this is a slightly more bodied version, and when you see the demonstration you'll see that it's very easy to move about. It's excellent for scumbling. You can use it for glazing and for feathering edges. If you want to paint wet over dry, it's a very good medium to use because you can make your painting appear to have been done wet in wet when you've actually done what most acrylic painters do. If they become very skilled, you've been able to unify a layer of paint with a layer of fresh paint over the top of it. Now I'm going to scumble my demonstration painting. So I'm using a mixture which contains some white and a green gold color, and you can see through it, you can see part of what's happening underneath. So that's basically what the term scumbling means. And because the middle medium is quite painterly if it's used in a brushy sort of way, I'm making the painting probably a bit more interesting to look at by leaving some brush marks around and heightening the color contrast because the painting was pretty dull. I've decided to put another hill up there, so I can alter the composition by using this kind of technique. So I just keep on working wet in wet, gradually building up the lighter parts of the painting. You can't really see through them very much where I've applied more paint with more white in it. But you can still see the basic shape. Coming back with a colour which has a bit more life to it than the browny colour that was there before on the mountain at the back. And I don't want it to contrast too much with the foreground because it's not a long way away. It's just a mountain behind those hills with all the yellowy grass on. I'm trying to give all of that a little bit more shape. Of course, working wet in wet, and if I happen to be working more slowly and the weather was very dry and unpleasant, I would just be getting out my Unlocking Formula bottle and spraying it if I needed to keep going. But at the moment I'm not needing to do that. I'm working pretty fast, obviously. I'd probably be a bit more conscientious if I was going to keep this painting. You see the poor old painting being repeated several times because what I do after the demonstration is that I take the wet paint, again because it's interactive paint, I can just wash it off before it sets, and I've got the basic painting back again to do another demonstration. Now I'm doing the same thing to a figure painting. I'm over painting with the medium to accentuate the light areas a little bit better, and I'm also able to blend away at the edges, to feather the edges so it has the appearance of being done wet in wet. Thank you for watching all of this, and if you would like to have more information, please just go to our website.